me a joy. Hello and welcome to another vlog of Mia's vlog. So today we are going to make my new favorite ubi. But I have two favorites, ubi pandesal and pandesal. Okay.
And pancit.
Pancit I meant. And so here are all the ingredients. So we'll need plain flour, a bowl of course, and yeast, easy bake. And so we're going to have to use 2 eggs, which I have 5 here, so I'm going to use 2 of them. So, and here we have a chunk of butter, some violet color, but you don't need to use it. You'll be coloring, but you don't need to use it because my mom just likes to make it purpler.
It's purple, but
yeah, but it's more violet you're putting in. Okay, so and here you need just some cheese to put in the filling. And here we have some ubi halaya.
Ubi halaya.
Okay. And also you need some milk.
Only a tiny bit.
Only a tiny bit. And you need the caster sugar, but it says silver spoon here. Okay, so
and just some oil.
And just some oil for the other parts.
When you're kneading later.
Yeah, when you're kneading. Yeah. Okay, so let's start it. Hello, so here we have our yeast in here and warm water. We didn't tell you, sorry. And so you need to crack up 2 eggs in this cup, okay? Because I have, as you can, well, I don't really want to show you, it might come out. And so here is some of our yam, ubi yam. Okay, so you will need 4 tablespoons or teaspoons?
Just 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons of this, okay? And you will also need
There, look, ingredients.
like this bowl of sugar, caster sugar.
We only used 4 tablespoons.
We only used 4 tablespoons for this.
Instead of 6.
Instead of 6, yeah. Because
the ubi is quite sweet.
yeah, the ubi is quite sweet already. So.
Would you like to measure the flour? We need.
Okay, let's go and measure. Okay, so we will need 3.5. Okay, so wait, cups. 3.5 cups. So we're going to open. So we just opened it, sorry. And so you will be needing some of these to measure them. Oh, wait. So some of these to measure them, or maybe something else that's close to this. And we will need 3.5. So we will have 3 of these.
Yeah, sure.
We'll have 3 of these. This is 1 cup. Wait, it doesn't really fit. You'll need to wait for it to rise. And we're just waiting for it to rise. And we're
To become frothy, I think.
frothy, and so we're gonna see when it's done. I can't wait to mix all the ingredients. So we have this
Interesting part.
We have like I think frothy now. So I'm gonna add all the ingredients. Okay. Sugar. Some
Teaspoon of salt.
teaspoon of salt. you will need
Softened butter.
softened butter, which
You have like about 3 tablespoons.
you thought it was gonna explode, didn't you? So let's get old. So now we'll add in our 2 eggs, which have been out. Okay, so now we're gonna add those in.
The most important ingredient.
The most important ingredient is this one.
Nice.
Okay, so I'm just gonna keep on beating it like this.
Put some ruby coloring.
Oh, hey, I'll get some. I'll get some. Okay,
So mix them all.
so here is what it looks like after. We're gonna get it nice and dark. Have we actually added in the violet?
Yes, we did.
Oh, okay, that's fine. So now we're gonna have all of this guy. Should be dumping. You should get 1 cup at a time from this. So I'm just gonna mix this. So it's actually getting darker, not lighter. So I'm gonna get some more.
So 1 cup at a time, yeah?
1 cup at a time, and then you put it down. Then you mix it up. Ooh, it's nice and dark. It's so exciting.
Purple.
And purple. So should we? I'm gonna get some more. Okay. It's nice and purple now. I've washed my hands. I think things are gonna get a little messy. So this you will need some flour and some olive oil, which I have on my hands, but you guys, it just ran out. So let's scoop all of this up.
This is very sticky.
Yeah, it's actually very sticky. We haven't even let it rise a tiny bit. We have a tiny bit, but we haven't done it that much. So, Mum, can you please add some flour onto my... So, what you need to do is get all of it and slump it around. Well, I'm not going very great. See? This is very, very sloppy. And so it's like Play-Doh, except from stickier. And look, can I have some flour in Okay, that's good. Put it
You knead.
Knead everything.
Very important that your
There's an
workstation
adult.
is very clean.
Yeah,
Out of work, or else
yeah. It'll get a little too messy.
very messy. Very messy.
So it's all sticky. So can someone please hand me some olive oil? If it's getting sticky on your hands, you can either use plain flour or maybe olive oil. Okay, so let's get that out. Get it out on my hands. On my hands. Okay, this. So this is what we've been kneading for the past about, I don't know,
Last
5 minutes maybe.
or so.
And so we'll put it into its bowl. So satisfying. And anyways. It's blob.
Then we'll cover that.
And we'll cover it and let it rise for 2 hours. So sad. Bye. While I'm waiting, I'll do some schoolwork.
So see ya.
See ya.
2 hours later.
Hello and welcome to part 2 of Eating Pandesal. So here we have. It's really slippy. Sorry.
So we waited. It's 2 hours later.
Wait,
Isn't it?
this is 2 hours later, definitely. So let's just wait. So we have sliced them. We have sliced them. I'm so sorry we did it without you. But yeah, it's okay. So you'll need some cut up cheese from your mom, of course, if you're about to.
Like ours cheesy.
Yeah, cheesy, and then you put it like this and this and this, and let's go and wrap it around in a circle, and we'll just put it over here, and then you keep on doing that with your pieces. I've done my maths well to let it rise, and it's not really done, but it's nearly done. So we're just gonna keep on doing this. So we'll get a bunch of cheese, put it in here.
So that's the one with the.
That's what it looks like when you put it with breadcrumbs. So we're gonna let that cool down.
Rice for maybe.
Rise for maybe a half an hour now. Cheese! Yeah, it's like, yeah. See? Look
Sure,
at
sure.
that drooling cheese.
Wow.
And then I'm gonna quarter it. And let's see. Oh, that is lovely, absolutely lovely. Look at that gooey inside.
Beautiful.
Oh my god, it's actually dripping down. It's pooling. Thanks for watching.